Alrighty. So this seat has been absolutely killing me. And even though I've got a gel seat pad, it's just not enough. So now I need to see if I can adapt one of the cruiser seats onto here. It's an odd little design, that. Nasty, nasty little seat post. Alright. So there's the saddle. Now there's a seat post adapter, and by removing this whole bar, we should be able to clamp on. There's two seats side by side. They've got basically the same style of frame under there. All right, so it's a perfect fit. All right, there we have it. A little bit more rider comfort for yours truly. And fairly well aligned too. And there we have there's a saddle a bit more suited to that bike anyway. Well, all we can really do now is take it for a ride and see.